Hi, it's Habiba from Craftify, my love. Welcome to today's video. You will learn how to give an old and maybe unloved cabinet a second life that's inspired by Anthropologie's bone-inlay series. The fun thing about this is that I only realized the Anthropologie connection when I first set foot in one of these amazing yet a little pricey shops in Georgia, Atlanta this May. Remember that I told you about my great vacation in the airplane tutorial? And hey, 12 weeks in and they're still alive. So go check out my care instructions in the matching blog post. Can I just say, what a coincidence that my friend Yami from the Latina Next Door came up with a fun challenge called the Look for Less, just when I was ready to tell you guys how to make one of these cabinets. Looking for the word. This month, her co-host is Sarah from Creative Ramblings, and I can't wait what you, Sarah and Yami, say to this awesome and super easy tutorial that you can make for a little under 50 bucks instead of buying one of these for, let me check, $1,298. Yep, you heard that right. You can save, let me do the math, $1,263.05 from following my tutorial, so keep on watching. In fact, I only had to pay $34.95 for the stencil. The rest of the materials I had at home, and probably you do too. If you want to know how I came up with this darling for free, hop on over to my blog, Craftify My Love, to read up on the full story. As always, the link plus a list with all the supplies necessary is in the info section below. Freebie alert! If you never stenciled before, or you want to double check if you know all the tips and tricks to make your next stenciling project a complete success, I have something great for you. I've sat down and poured all my knowledge into a handy 4-page everything you need to know about stenciling guide. And you can download it for free as a thank you for subscribing to my newsletter. So hop on over, info section, and grab it. Thank you. One more thing before we start with the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel by hitting the little notification bell down there so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Let's hop on over to the inspiration. This is the 3-drawer dresser from Anthropologie. It's a smaller piece out of the series and it's just shy under $1,300. But oh, look at that design. I love all the flourishes and the flowers, the stars, the denseness of the design actually. So in order to make your own, you will have to find an old dresser and give it a good sanding down, remove all the hardware, and go get all the supplies ready. With my homemade Chalkpaint, I only need 1 coat for full coverage. You can find the recipe on my blog. Try to make up your design with the stencils and start rolling. The main thing you need to know is stenciling is best with as little paint as possible. A foam roller will speed things up, even though it doesn't look like it, because you will build up the paint. For smaller parts, you use a brush. I like the look of distressed furniture, but that's totally optional. A protection coat of wax is always good. And this is the finished piece. If you need a very detailed step-by-step instruction, head on over to my blog post. Now, what you say to this awesome look for less? Tell me in the comments. And please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy stenciling, and see you next time. Bye bye. It's a wrap. Yay! I'm getting better and better at this.